Welcome to this video. Today we will explore what reviews are and how they impact SEO. Reviews are more than just customer opinions. They play a major role in building trust and improving search engine rankings. Reviews are feedbacks provided by customer about their experience with your product or service. They can be text-based, star rating, or both. Reviews appear on platforms like Google, Yelp, Facebook, and industry-specific directories. There are different types of reviews. First-party reviews are collected directly on your website. Third-party reviews appear on external sites like Google or Yelp. Both types can influence customer trust and SEO rankings. Search engine consider reviews as a trust signal. Positive reviews can increase your click-through rate and ranking in local search results. They also provide fresh, user-generated content that search engine loves. For local SEO, reviews are crucial. Google's local pack rankings are influenced by review quantity, quality, and recency. A business with frequent positive reviews is more likely to appear at the top. When customers naturally include keywords related to your business in their reviews, it can help search engine better understand your relevance. For example, best Italian restaurant in Jaipur in a review strengthens local keyword signals. Ask satisfied customer to leave reviews, send follow-up emails, or use in-store reminders. Make the process simple and quick, and always respond to reviews to show you value feedback. Negative reviews can happen to any business. Respond politely, address the concern, and offer solutions. A professional response can turn a negative experience into a positive impression for future customers. Reviews improve click-through rates, boost local rankings, enhance trust, and increase conversion. They also provide continuous content update that keeps your online presence fresh in the eyes of search engines. Reviews are more than customer opinions. They are a vital SEO tool that builds credibility, improves search engine rankings, and attracts more customers. Focus on getting genuine positive reviews and responding to all feedback. Thank you for watching. Start actively collecting and managing your reviews today to improve both your SEO and your customer trust. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.